Hey friends, welcome to Monkey Doodle. I'm Mr. L, and today we're going to draw this guy. Yeah! Hey friends, thanks for joining me on Monkey Doodle. Today we are going to celebrate Babby and all the fun things he does with us on the Monkey Doodle channel. So we are going to draw a silly happy monkey. Alright, get your favorite drawing utensil ready and draw with me. Alright, we're going to draw a large oval shape up here towards the top of our paper. Okay? Alright, there it is. And up here, I want to put some like spiky lines that pop out. Alright? That is an oval for our monkey head. Pretty cool. Monkeys are silly, so we need to be silly. On the side, we're going to make two semicircles, little semicircles attached to that head. And those will be our monkey ears. We'll put two other semicircles inside of it. And those will be dark inside. Alright, guys are doing awesome already. Now we are going to make a shape in here. Okay, ready guys? It's going to be a curve that goes in, and then like that, another curve down, and we're going to go out a little bit, over and in. Alright, very cool. So it gives it sort of like that shape of the inside of the monkey's face. All right. Now we're going to do two oval eyes. One in this area. One over here. About the same size. All right. Now we're going to do a shape that's almost like a number 3 that fell over. It's actually a line. Down and like that. All right, we are doing this monkey. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now let's do a nice big monkey smile. Start up here. All right. Go a little bit wider towards the end and fill it in black. I like that. And a little curve at the end, just like that. There is our monkey friend. He's starting to grow. Probably getting ready to swing off a vine any minute now, Babby. All right, let's do a neck that comes down from here. And we're going to make an arm swing out this way. Ready? Go in with a curve, out, and back over there. How silly is that? Swinging monkey. And we're going to make one arm swing this way. Ready? Out and in. Go in with a curve, out, little bump here, and come back in. A little bit more, yeah, just about there, it's good. All right, how's your monkey doing? Is he swinging off the vines and the trees yet? All right, let's make the monkey body. We're going to make an oval that pops out with a curve here. And a curve here. All right. Looks like he's doing a little dance. Now we're going to come out with a curve here and a curve here. Let's do this curve for this leg. Okay. And a foot. And a bump right there. Now we're going to make this leg come down. Okay, we'll start maybe here. Maybe it'll hit that. I don't know. We can keep going. Okay. And a foot. Bump. Nope, I got a little bit on the table. And back there. This guy's really moving, so yeah, this is a challenging drawing. Okay. Mr. L will share that with you. And it's all curves everywhere, bumps and curves, bumps and curves. But if you guys are up for a challenge, I bet you can handle it. You guys are the best. Thanks for following Monkey Doodle. Let's put an oval in here, a little oval. All right, now Monkey's almost done. I'm going to switch my marker to a smaller Sharpie. And we have to make a tail. What's a monkey without a tail? So let's go up, and we're going to go behind this arm here. Watch. Make it loop just like that. It hooks around. Look how nice. Monkeys always love curling their tails. And go back in. Down to that arm. Hit it, but don't go through it. And then back down. And hit the leg. So really this arm looks like it's really over that tail, which is really nice, okay? Awesome, you guys are the best. Doing the monkey, Babby the monkey. We can put a couple of bananas kind of floating around. You can put a little curve shape here and do a banana shape and another curve in there. And a little thing that sticks out. There's a banana. Do another curve here. Curve there. It's like a crescent moon. Another curve inside. Little thing sticking up. Maybe Babby's getting ready to eat. You do a curve here. Another curve. And a tight one inside. And a little square on top. All right. How did your monkey come out, guys? Did it come out really cool? I bet it did. Thanks for joining us, and get ready for hyperspace color. Woohoo! Hey guys, thanks for drawing Babby the monkey with us. If you enjoy drawing, please support the Monkey Doodle channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you later. Hey Babby.